So to swap out to these, I think they need to be mounted up forward because of their wide beam. I'm afraid if I mounted them in there deep because of this, it's going to limit the view. So I think they really need to be forward mounted so that they can get their maximum view. And you see I have that, so those will just plug into the existing, and then I'll just put a big washer and tighten that nut down, and it'll be connected basically to the bumper cover, which is not the best, but because of having them mounted forward, that's going to be the best location to get the maximum light. So that's how it's going to be mounted. Use a big washer, a smaller washer, and then the nut, so that will basically clamp through and hold against the bumper cover. There's a slot in the bumper cover so you can actually put this a wide range of depths. Obviously I'll have to aim it at night, but I can push it back in if I need to, leave it where it's at. It's just a 1/2 inch nut on the top to adjust that, and then the Allen keys on the side if I want to adjust the angle that way. And I haven't changed this one yet, but I will change it soon. Same method. So that's with the new fog lights.